it's Layle with Layle by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at my Sunshine and Blue Skies mini book project kit. So first we will take a look at what I did with the kit, the completed project, and then we will take a look at the contents of the kit. As always, the Layle by Mail mini book project kits include all the product that you need to put the project together, along with color step-by-step instructions and access to a 3+ hour video class where I actually make the project step-by-step right along with you. And we have a lot of fun. So I have included a link to purchase this particular project kit in the description box of the video down below. All right, let's jump in. For this project, I have used the Simple Stories Summer Lovin' collection. It is such a fun, really just bright and cheery summer collection. It's actually fairly neutral, and I say neutral in meaning that it's not specific to, let's say, beach or to picnics or to swimming pools. It's got a really broad theme to it, so it covers all different kinds of summer activities. I have used the 6x8 teal snap binder, the pocket page album from Simple Stories, as the base. All right, as we get going, for the cover, we're using a little bit of yellow green ribbon along with some little light blue pom-pom trim, so it makes it kind of fun and exciting. I've used the foam stickers in this particular project, Simple Stories foam stickers, and I absolutely love their foam stickers. They're such great addition to your projects for adding lots of extra dimension and color and fun. All right, so here we go. A little small card here. So if you have a summer bucket list, different things that you'd like to do this summer, then you can document those there. Or you could be using this mini book project kit to document maybe a past summer or favorite summers. So you can kind of make that list work for whatever you would like. Also using the chipboard frames in this particular project kit. So nice, you can kind of do 2 nice photos right there. Well, of course, nice. You wouldn't want to do not nice photos, but 2 photos right there. Really cute icons. I love the color palette of this collection. This right here, doesn't that just look like the most fun beach towel that you could ever have? So really fun little beach or pool. I guess that's more of a pool scene than beach scene, but you get the idea there. Another one of the chipboard frames, summer. Lots of great colors, icons. So you have bikes and pool and flowers and just all different kinds of things. So some interactive elements, room for lots and lots of photos, and a little bit of journaling and telling the story of your summer, which is always very important. Another little interactive element there, ready for either journaling and or photos. That's a fun sentiment. The tans will fade, but the memories will last forever. Absolutely. Doing a little bit of fussy cutting of a couple of different elements and kind of doing a faux notebook paper treatment there. Interactive element there. I love that stripe, kind of that rainbow horizontal stripe. Excuse me. Rainbow diagonal stripe is just a really fun, especially mixed with that font. So some fun fruit mixed in, and I love my summer fruit, that's for sure. There's nothing like fruit in the good old summertime, right? Even like some little fun maps and things if you're doing any kind of camping or doing any road trips. Another fun little kind of interactive element here. You have a large pocket, and this would be intended to be photos that you could just tuck inside of the pocket. A blank pocket page, and I like to do this a lot in my projects. So this could be, you could either just leave it this way, which would make a really nice fun see-through effect for, the photos that you add here, or if you have different memorabilia from the summer. So maybe you are traveling, or you have, maybe you're seeing plays or movies or anything like that. Maybe you're going to Disneyland and you want to put brochures in there, whatever it is. You could kind of use that pocket however you would like. Even fun interactive there and little fireflies. So I've never seen a firefly. It is on my bucket list, and at some point in my life I will see a firefly, but I'm always so in awe of those of you that it's part of your everyday life. I think it's just so cool. Another really fun scene again there. Look at that. Going back to that really fun font in that diagonal. That is a foam sticker. As we keep going, another little fun interactive element there. Another chipboard frame, a little pocket here. So as you can see, room for tons and tons and tons of photos. Here we have a summer top 10 list. So as the summer winds down, you could list maybe your top favorite things of the summer, or as you're documenting this particular summer, or really any summer. Really fun interactive element there again with the foam stickers. And then of course, summer, you've got your backyard barbecues, your picnics, your hot dogs and hamburgers, and some room there for a fun photo and or journaling, your adventures of the summer. A little side pocket there. Another chipboard frame and another chipboard frame there. And there we go. So that is the Sunshine and Blue Skies mini book project kit from Layle by Mail. That is currently shipping now. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now that we've looked at the project, let's take a look at the contents of the kit, because this kit is, oh my goodness, loaded. It is loaded with so much product. So as I mentioned, starting the base of the project is that Simple Story Snap album. And those are wonderful to work with. Well, I'll just talk while I get these little things out. 8 different kind of designer pages. So you have the color pages, and then you also have kind of the more office type. I call them office oriented because you have white with like grids and numbers and things. You have the 3 chipboard dividers, and then you have 10 pocket pages in 3 different configurations. So lots of stuff right off the bat in that particular album. Then we have the yellow grosgrain ribbon as well as the pom-pom trim for the cover. Of course, as I mentioned, the color step-by-step instructions all the way down to your cutting diagrams. The chipboard frames, so you have 6 chipboard frames, and those are ranging with 4x6s and 3x4 photos. You have the foam stickers, so 2 6x12 sheets, and like I said, I think the foam stickers in any collection that Simple Stories does, I just love them. They're just such a fun, bright, cheery, dimensional way to add more interest to your projects. This is the sticker book. So the sticker book has 12 sheets, 699 stickers. So my goodness. And I use so many of these. Whoopsie, I didn't quite get that cut in the project itself. So alphabets and tabs and word strips and flowers and other alpha icons. Just wonderful. Lots of wonderful things for putting together your mini book. Then we have the 6x8 pad. So the 6x8 pad has 2 sheets each of 12 different patterns. So you have duplicates, but each of those sheets has 2 sides, right? So you have lots and lots and lots of different great patterns to work with in the mini book kit. And we use, I think, all but 2 or 3. And then we have several 12x12 papers. So you have the cut aparts, the 4x6s, the journal elements, the 3x4 elements, just a fun summer kind of themed with the flowers, 12x12, and then also just kind of a generic 12x12 that I use on the cover and in one of our interactive elements. So there you have it. Again, that is the Sunshine and Blue Skies mini book project kit from Layle by Mail. I have included a link to purchase in the description box down below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.